We've got lawyers out there that are saying so-and-so got me $500,000 or $1 million. That you have to be really cautious about, and it's completely worthless, because the fact that there was a recovery for X number of dollars doesn't mean that that lawyer necessarily got what the case was worth. There may have been $1 million policy and the case was worth $1 million, but if he or she only got $500,000 for the client, well, they just got shortchanged $500,000. So, and there also may be limits as to how much of an insurance policy is available, right?
Exactly. Conversely, you may have a case that may be worth $1 million, but there might only be $10,000, $20,000, or even $0 worth of coverage.
Zero. That's exactly right. So there are a lot of variables that you have to consider in weighing how much a case is worth. And that's why I have such an issue with all these billboards out there claiming $500,000, $1 million, and so on and so on, because the reality is they represent absolutely nothing.
That's a gross recovery.
It's a gross recovery. It means nothing to the client because we really don't know if those are good results or not based on the injuries that they suffered. So,
well, I had a case today where I was speaking to a client, and it's exactly that. It's a two-year-old accident. She's just finished treating, and they've recommended her for potential surgery. And right now, she's in the best place to recover the most money for her. And I explained that to her. If you get the surgery, you may get a bigger number, and it may sound better, but you may end up with less in your pocket.
of course, because the cost of the surgery may offset the additional amount that you've now collected from the claim.
Exactly.
And you're in the negative.
Right.
So that's very true.